Oh, shit. Hi my Zay dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Zero, and I am back with another freaking video. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. So today's video, we are going to be getting into Yolissa's hair, okay? That is our sponsor for this video, so let's get into this goodie bag, period. First, of course, y'all know we got a wig cap. They gave this little silk wrap. I did use it, but not in this video. Y'all know ain't nothing like a new edge comb, some lashes that I could not get freaking open, okay? But you know, they was calm, something we could work with or whatever. So to get into this hair, this is their 5x5 body wave 24 inch, I think 180 decency. Y'all know what I mean. Yo, when I tell y'all this is the best hair I've ever freaking had, like ever, oh my freaking god, y'all. Okay, so now we're gonna take some Got2b. We're gonna spray it right where the closure is gonna lay and just brush it back. Because if y'all remember that edge control I was using, that shit was ass, y'all. Like, and don't say nothing about my goddamn braids, okay? These is, I think, the same braids from the last video. No, these is new braids. These is new braids, y'all, because these is 8. So y'all know I don't like combs in my wig, so I'm just razoring them. I'm just cutting them off the wig. Y'all know what the hell I mean, okay? So before I glue the wig down, I'm just putting it on my head to see placement wise, to see how far I want it up, how much of my forehead I want out. And then we're going to hot comb and press. Crazy part is I wasn't going to bleach the knots of this wig. And it was fire, like without the knots bleached or whatever, no plucking. But then I'm like, yo, imagine if I pluck and bleach these knots. This lace, bro. This lace is freaking fire. That line y'all see right there is a makeup line. I needed to see where to stop the glue. So now I'm just spreading the glue. I think I did 3 layers and I only showed y'all 2. Y'all know ain't nothing to talk about. You add the glue on your forehead, you spread it out until it's clear, or you spread it out and let it dry clear, and that's just that. It ain't rocket science, baby. It ain't rocket science, okay? Okay, maybe I did show y'all me laying all 3 layers down. Okay, but whatever. Y'all see I wiped the makeup lining off. That ugly scar on my forehead is going away slowly but definitely surely. Just gonna fan it out, even though the way I smeared it, it cleared. So that was just a little extra. Placing the little closure thingy down. Remember I told you, I think this was a 5x5. I thought it was a 6x6, but this is a big 5x5, y'all. And this shit, baby, okay. Ooh, it look crooked, girl. Oh, damn it, it look crooked. It look crooked to y'all, because it look crooked to me. I don't like that. But yeah, look how that lace is lacing. That shit is melting already, y'all. Like, that shit melting. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. So I just started doing this thing where, like, after I glue it down and I comb it in, I put Got2b on it. Like, this is probably the 3rd wig I did that on, and I should have been doing that because I feel like that helps it melt. Y'all know when you put Got2b on anything, it give it that seamless skin look. So I'm just brushing the Got2b in so nothing don't be kicked up in one spot. We're gonna take our little elastic wrap, y'all. I found a whole bunch of elastic wraps. Oh yeah, it's over. I don't gotta use nothing else ever again. No need to improvise because we got what we need, okay? Ooh, look at my arms. That is not cute, girl. But yeah, we're gonna lay that down tight, real tight, and now we're gonna start with our part. I did want to do a middle part, but then I'm like, I love the way a side part look on me, and the fact that this is like a deep like closure. Like, this wasn't, you know, 13x4, you don't got enough room to do a real side part. No, they gave you enough room on this 5x5. Like, it gave, okay? Now I'm just hot combing this little piece over there. It did give me a little bit of trouble, but y'all know that's small stuff to a giant, okay, baby? Okay, so all of that y'all just seen, self-explanatory. Y'all see me hot combing, trying to perfect the part, just trying to lay it down flat. I didn't have any more like hair sheen, so I went searching in my mama room. Found some hair shine, but it was holding spray. Dumbass sprayed it in my goddamn eye. But I mean, it got the job done just to lay down, the little flyaways and stuff. Because I ain't want to use Got To Be. So I used that. Y'all could see the press down difference. And hot combing this was killing me because y'all know I don't got no cap under this, just braids. So I feel like on the scalp. And this hot comb, beating. Look at this hair. Just look at this freaking hair, y'all. Shit is so beautiful. So now I'm gonna go part by part. I'm gonna just hot comb so I can really get it as flat as I can. And boom, shakalaka. Period. I started off just hot combing, but then I was spraying that whole spray and hot combing. And I should have been doing that from the jump, but I wasn't going to go back and start all over. Like, that, no, not having it. So we just going spray, hot comb down, spray, hot comb down, and call it a goddamn day, okay? Because I'm not going to lie, this shouldn't have took me as long as it did. For y'all, this is a quick little video. But me doing this, you would have thought because it was a closure, it would have been quick, easy, and simple. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this is one of the best wigs I've ever received. Like, this hair is freaking bomb. And it said 24 inches. This is giving me 28, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. So I'm pinning the hair up so I can cut the lace off. And baby, do y'all see that lacing? Okay, here we go. Look, boom. Shitting me. Oh my god. Now we're gonna cut this lace. I ain't gonna talk, just watch, because I think I've been getting better with like cutting my lace and stuff. Especially I think it's these little old, I don't even know what freaking scissors these are or where they came from. But these scissors get the job done. And I was being real precise and careful on some snip, piece by piece instead of ham. But yeah, just watch me cut the lace, y'all. Normally, every time I do like a closure, I always mess up around like the edges or whatever, or it don't fully stay down. But I think I'm getting better because the last closure, first voice note video that we did wasn't so bad. And then this one was even better. And that lace, oh my freaking god, y'all. I don't even know what kind of lace this was, but this shit is giving me foreign. Like, it's, bro, that shit melt, like melts, bro. Shit is crazy. Like, one more spritz, little spray it down to hold the hair. And that's just that. Like, I was really shocked, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I was shocked. This hair, once again, is literally the best hair that I have ever received from a freaking company. This is what I was talking about, where like the edges don't always be laying down. And it normally be worse than that. Sometimes it be like both sides, but it was only this side. So we just put a little bit of glue, pushed it up, and pressed it. That's really about it. Talk about simple, okay? Period. Hey guys, I had tied it down even though I had did all that hot combing, spraying and spritzing, because might as well. It made it look so freaking flat, but I'm gonna stand up and show y'all like this hair. Yo, I'm just really speechless. Once again, this is the Yolissa Hair 5x5 body weight, 24 inches. Bro, that's not 24 inches. Do y'all see that shit? Ain't no way that's 24 inches. But this video is over. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Later. Kisses.